What's up everyone, welcome again to my channel. In this video I'm diving into a head-to-head comparison between two popular productivity and project management and task management tools, Monday.com and Notion. So, if you are looking for the perfect tool to manage your tasks, projects, or even your entire team, stay tuned to find out which one might be right for you. Now, let's start with Monday.com. The platform is known for its vibrant interface and customizable workflows. It's a project management tool designed to help teams streamline their processes and improve collaboration. Now, it offers a variety of features including customizable boards, timeline views, and automation options. It's perfect for teams that needs to manage complex projects with multiple moving parts. So here, for example, you can divide your work into multiple workspaces. One, for example, for your personal life and one for your business. And in each workspace, you can add boards with multiple views to highlight or manage the tasks for this specific category. Now, next up, we have Notion. Notion is a versatile all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, project management, database, and more into a single platform. It's highly customizable and can be adapted to fit almost any workflow. As you can see here, I have many, let's name it workspaces or pages, and in any page I can add many views, and in each view I can add many notes, many types of data, and so on. So here, Notion's strength lies in its flexibility. Whether you are a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team, Notion can be tailored to your specific needs, making it a favorite for those who prefer a more personalized approach to productivity. Now, let's talk about the main uses and the main features of each platform. First of all, Monday.com. Monday.com is ideal for project management, task tracking, and team collaboration. Its visual boards make it easy to see the status of different tasks at a glance. As you can see, in any board, I can have many views to help me with specific aspects of each task and each project. And it has also automation capabilities that can save you time on repetitive tasks. So you can set automations to save you more time and effort. Now, Notion, on the other hand, excels as a knowledge management tool. It's perfect for creating stuff like wikis, document repositories, and personal organization. With Notion, you can build a customized workspace that houses all your notes, project plans, and database in one place. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of each platform to decide which is better for you. Now, Monday.com's user interface is colorful and intuitive, designed to make it easy for you. You have robust automations, you can automate repetitive tasks, and you can also get real-time updates and notifications from your team to keep them on the same page. Now, the main con, I would say, in Monday.com is the cost. It can get pricey, especially for larger teams and more complex tasks. And the learning curve also is, while it's easy to use and the interface is user-friendly, you have multiple tools that you need time and effort to master all. And also, it has limited text formatting compared to Notion, because Notion has strong in-document creation compared to Monday.com. Now, let's talk about Notion. The pros of Notion: it's highly customizable. You can tailor your workspace for your unique needs, no matter how your work is going and what type of task or project that you are doing. It's also versatile. It combines note-taking, project management, and database. You can add files, you can add all types of data and views here. And it's also the main pro over Monday.com, I would say, is the cost. It's free for personal use, and also for teams, the pro tools are pretty affordable. Now for the cons. While it's also easy to use, it has a steep learning curve for flexibility because you are presented with many tools at once, so it can be overwhelming especially for new user. And also it can slow down with large amount of data, so if you want reliability in performance, Monday.com is your better option. It's only not as intuitive or not as robust as Monday.com in collaboration. So you have some collaboration limitations, especially if you have a bigger teams. Now, which one should you choose? That's the final verdict. It all comes to your specific needs. If you are managing complex projects and need strong team collaboration tools, then Monday.com might be your better option if you don't mind spending a little bit extra. But if you prefer highly customizable and versatile tool for managing various types of content, especially if it's free and the cost is a limitation for you, then Notion is the way to go. In any ways here, you cannot go wrong with any of these two platforms, as they both offer lots of powerful and versatile intuitive tools to manage your tasks and projects.